In trying times, mental health, that's what suffers. Well, is support right here in your own community, and that is coming from TN Voices. From children to adults, they're connecting families with the resources that they need to tackle depression, anxiety, and so much more. That's why we brought in Ricky Harris. She's the Chief Executive Officer for TN Voices. Now, there's a big golf tournament that's coming up for everyone to support this cause. But first, let's talk about the mission behind this group.
Absolutely. So Tennessee Voices is a nonprofit. We serve all 95 counties of Tennessee, and our hope is to provide vulnerable people the help they need, the access they need to mental health care. So we serve every age 0 to 100, and we're really thinking a lot about teen girls right now.
I know, because you had previously told me about this shocking statistic. Everyone out there, listen up, because this is heartbreaking. Please share.
Yes, so we're learning that girls in their teen years are reporting that over 50% of girls feel sad, depressed, anxious, fearful. So girls are carrying a lot, and we're also concerned about suicidal ideation. We see girls having more trouble with suicidal ideation at a rate of about 1 in 4 girls. So we are thinking a lot. It's really personal for me. I have 2 teenage girls. So we're thinking a lot about what is behind this and how can we help girls in this situation.
And we kind of talked about this before, that, you know, with social media use, that kind of coincides with each other.
Yeah, if you look at the charts, I mean, we really started to see this rise when social media became really popular. This was before the pandemic, but I will say the pandemic had a big impact here too. So really, we're concerned about how girls get lost in comparison and fear about not being enough and comparing themselves in ways that are just really not even fair. You know,
it's so unfair. It's so unfair, and it's, again, heartbreaking. But as you said, you have 2 teenage daughters, and I know one of your daughters, she had a hard time in the pandemic. Talk about that, but then she kind of rose past it.
Yeah, so she was very social. She's a very social kid. She loves to be around all of her friends, her teachers, all the people. And when she was isolated during the pandemic, it was like her personality changed. It was really hard. She withdrew. She spent a lot of time alone. And so we really had to help channel some of that stress and that anxiety and that difficulty being isolated into something positive. So she's decided that she's going to start a podcast, and it's called The Little Life Coach, and she's been channeling her energy into speaking about what the struggles are for a teenage girl and bringing in guests to help her talk about this.
So obviously it was those conversations that you had with do you have any tips for other parents with teen girls?
Yes. So one of the main things is get them talking. Just be really curious about what's going on. What are the day-to-day? The worst question you can ask your kid every day is, how was school? You're not going to get a great answer, right? How was school today? But ask really specific questions and be curious about what they're thinking. Invite them into conversations. Listen with intent and circle back to those things when you notice something's off. I remember you told me you were really struggling with this issue with a friend. Can I help you with that at all? Or can we talk more about what would make you feel better in this situation? So just keeping an open invitation of curiosity and interest in what's going on in your kid's life.
That's amazing. I'm so proud that she has, turned tears into triumph, really and truly. Okay, we've got to talk about this golf tournament because it's going to be amazing. It's coming up on Monday, so what can people expect?
So Old Natchez Country Club in Franklin, it's a beautiful course, beautiful clubhouse. We're going to start with lunch and a big welcome, feature some of our sponsors, and then out on the course at 1 o'clock to start playing. And listen, if you can't come play with us, but we would love that, then we're definitely tnvoices.org. We covet your donations and your interest in helping us as we tackle this mental health crisis that we're facing.
It truly is a mental health crisis. In your position, what brings you joy in what you do in working for this organization?
Yeah, well, first of all, it's knowing that people are getting the help they need. So creating access to care is a huge win when a person gets the help they need. The other part of this is just learning and being on this journey in my own self and my own family around how we take care of ourselves. I've learned a lot about how to just manage my own mental health, and then I'm stronger and better in helping the people in my family and in my staff at taking care of their own mental health.
I'm so glad that you said that. It starts with us first. Very good. And there is always someone out there. Thank you so much, Ricky. If you are struggling with mental health, help is available to you. Visit tnvoices.org. There are resources for children, young adults, everyone. Don't wait. Contact them today.